It is very odd because it's raining and it's cold and I want to swim on the lake. It's raining. Bunya? Bunya? Bunya, where are we going? Bunya?
Jeszcze się do morsów zapiszesz.
Huh?
Few more months and you will sign to the Morse.
What's more?
You remember those people that was going to the water in the winter?
You're so old.
Why? I would not have anything against it if you would like it.
There are birds here. I'll take boots. So piękne. Oh, there are dogs. Are these dogs? What do you think? Or oh, ducks! I have to go this way because hello, ducks. Good morning. Dzień dobry. Wow, it's nice. Oh, it's getting rain. This is also here very pretty if it's not raining. Oh God. Bonia, what's in there? Chodź, Bunia. Where's Bunia ga?
Probably in the water.
Hoi, chodź. Bunia. No, you're not eating that. Go to Red. It's raining. She found food. She found food.
That's occasion really needs to be recorded.
Which one? Chodź, Bunia. Chodź. This is very odd. This is very odd because it's raining and it's cold and I want to swim on the lake. Look at the lake.
It would be even better if both of us will run and jump.
Do you want? Chodź, Bunia. I'll check the water. Oh, it's raining. Mommy will check the water. Oh, it's not cold. Right. Chodź, Bunia. Oh, it's warm. Ah.
Cover the towel with your... I need to record it on my cell phone.
You can use it. Ah. bravo! He's on the other side.